So here are some of my okra plants. The seedlings are ready and I'm gonna transplant them today. I've chosen a bed for them. I'm gonna probably plant them within the garlic, and then we're gonna pull the garlic in a couple of months. So these two garlic beds on the right and left, I've chosen that I'm gonna plant okra within them, and then we're gonna pull the garlic and the okra is gonna stay behind. For the rest of the season, okra will be yielding for us. For okra, this rows should be about 3 feet apart and the plant to plant distance should be 2 feet. Here I am just taking the liberty and putting them 2 feet apart. I've made these holes. I'm gonna pick up the plug, drop it in, press it, and then water it. Here you can see the other holes. Here's the tray. I'm just gonna push the plant up, lift it from its sleeve. Here is the plug. I could have given it a little longer, but the roots are coming out, and I think it's okay time to go ahead and plant it. I'm just gonna pull some weeds out from around the hole that I've prepared for the plant, and Bismillah, just drop it in and firm it up. There you go. That's about it, and I'm gonna water it. So I'm gonna go ahead, plant all of them, and then come back and water them all. So this is how long it takes. It's a very quick process. And this is the dibber I made. I think this is about 2.5, 3 feet, 3 feet probably. I could have gotten away with the 2 feet tall. All you gotta do is to place it where you want to place it and just press it down, make a hole and drop the plug in it and move on. And I'll carry on with the rest of the bed and complete this process. Assalamu alaikum.